Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Location Guard extension not available on Chrome Web Store. First, go to search box, type in here regedit, right click on the registry editor and then run as administrator. Once you're inside the registry editor, go up, press the computer main heading, go to this box at the top, remove this. I have given you a path on the description. Just copy that path and put it here on this box. Once you do that, enter. If you go down, you will see that one Google folder is highlighted, and inside the Google folder, I have one Chrome folder. Here, if you don't have the Chrome folder inside your Google folder, then you're going to create one Chrome folder. Right click on Google. Now on this Chrome folder, right click and then go to new and then go to dword 32-bit value, and we have got one key here. Rename this key to extend to extension manifest v2 availability and enter. Double click this and put the value data as 2 and click on OK. Close the registry editor. Now relaunch Chrome. Once you have relaunched the Chrome, we're going to go to Chrome Web Store. Now search Location Guard here. Now we have got Location Guard totally available. Click on it to Chrome and add extension, and now you can easily use this. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.